So we know that the vegetable garden has a perimeter of 32 feet, and since it is a rectangle, I'm going to just draw a picture here. The longest side we're going to call L, and the shortest side we're going to call W. So the perimeter is 2L plus 2W, and it's equal to 32. Another piece of information that we know about that is that the length measures 2 feet more than the width. So L is W plus 2. So this is a perfect system for substituting. So anywhere we see an L in our first equation, we're going to substitute W plus 2 in its place. So we'll have 2W plus 2 plus 2W equals 32. So all I've done is replaced what L is in my first equation. So I need to clean this up a little bit, and I'll get 2W plus 4 after I distribute the 2 to everything inside my parentheses. And then once I combine my like terms, my 2W and my 2W, I'll have 4W plus 4 equals 32. So then I need to get W by itself, and to do that I'm going to subtract 4 from both sides. And so 4W is equal to 28. If I go through and divide both sides by 4 to get W by itself, I can figure out that the width of my garden is 7. And you can go back to either one of our original equations and figure out that the length is 9. So either by substituting 7 in the spot here or 7 in the spot here to figure out that the length is 9.